Welcome back to the Davy Brown 990 restoration. For those of you new, my name is Barry. I'm having trouble seeing you today. I've got my glasses on, so I'll stand a bit closer. A bit of steel turned up, 1/2 inch by 5/8. Fits in there nicely. What we need to do though, we need to put a couple of radiuses on here to get it to sit right down on the bottom. But first things first, we're going to start and prep the base for this tool that we're going to have to make today. Let's have a quick look and see what we've got to do. So if you remember this little tool that we made, which was for these pleats to take this dent out of here, what we're going to do today is grind off the bits of metal. We'll grind off the welds, get the bits of metal off. Then we need to spot weld that on, so it's got a hold, and then we're going to put a couple of radiuses on here so that that profile fits over. Then we're going to try doing a bit of forming on that. It might be that we need to make a little die, like a saddle that fits over the top of there, that we can knock the shape into. It depends on how much the metal moves while we're trying to form it. Let's crack on and see. I know this isn't representative of what we're trying to do, which is to bend that piece to that shape. What we're going to try and do, because we don't want to be wasting sheets of steel, we're going to try and bend that little bit to that shape. I've already tried several ways and have failed miserably. And I think this is possibly the best way to do it. I've tried heat, everything. This seems to be the best way to do it. Let's have a look. Right, let's try and bend this. I've got an idea for how this is going to work. We will mark on there. We'll first bend, because I think it's important, the way we've got to do it, I think it's important to put this bend on first. As I say, I know this isn't representative because it's a much smaller piece of metal, but it'll give us an idea as to whether this technique will work. Next, pop it back in the jaws in there. Take a little jig. Pop that in there. That rain again. Does it match the profile of our bonnet? I think you're going to say that is within a gnat's ball. Happy with that. By the time if we welded that onto there, okay, we welded that onto there, you would then be able to dress those sides down to the correct width, the same width as that, wouldn't you? I mean, as I say, it's not 100% indication as to how it would work on that length of material. And again, we still have to work out about flaring the end or not bending the ends initially. But we'll keep persevering. Right guys, that's it for today. My feet are bloody freezing in here today. So we're getting that bent to something that something that resembles that, doesn't it? Do you think? Just needs a bit of dressing up and titivating, doesn't it? What we've got to think of is this little step. We've got to work out how we're going to put that step into that one. An option is to cut it with a grinder and bend it, or another option is to heat it up red hot and try and deform it with something else. We'll give it a bit of thought. Right guys, thanks very much for visiting. As always, your time is greatly appreciated when you come visiting us, tinkering in our garage. But remember, pop across to Bundy Bear Shed, or Bear's Shed as it is now, take on as a new subscriber, because he lost his subscriber base when the channel got hacked. Right guys, remember, do not overthink it. It's only nuts and bolts. Catch us in the next one. I'm away to get warmed up. Ta-ra now.